If you watched the solution video, you would have noticed that I used two different methods for transforming our variable. The first method used a wrapper right around the variable, and then the second used a scaling layer. Let's look at the differences between these two plots and see what the two adjustments really do. I'm going to save this first plot into log scale, and I'm going to save the second plot into count scale. I'm going to use each of these variables and pass it to grid.arrange, so that way I can plot them side by side. And that's why the incall is equal to 2. Running this code, we can see that we get our two histograms. When looking at the two plots, we can see that the difference is really in the x-axis labeling. Using scale x log 10, we'll label the axis in actual friend counts, whereas using the log 10 wrapper, we'll label the x-axis in log units. This is just something to keep in mind as you make more plots. In general, I think it's easier to think about actual counts, so that's why I prefer using the scale x log 10 as a layer. Now, this does mean that you'll need to learn the ggplot syntax, but don't worry, you'll have plenty of practice in lesson 4. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can add a layer to any of the plots that you create. So take our original histogram for friend count. Let's just add scale x log 10 to it. And there you go. You have the new histogram transformed using log base 10.